I'm wearing a different coloured t-shirt that I'm going to be wearing in about 2 minutes when you see this video. Look, it's Easter, and we thought what would be nice, and considering it gets more views than anything else on this channel, was to do version 3 of our 6-hour lamb. And we'll do it Moroccan style. So you play on the whole tagine thing with the cumin and the paprika and the cardamom. And
you mean without the tagine?
And all the business without the tagine, and right, doing it Kamado Joey.
Oh.
Kamado Joey. Look, I can tell you right now, because we've already done this, it turned out fucking ace. But we got a little bit whacked. Yasmin had 47 whiskies and could basically not record by the end of it. So look, I had to do some very creative editing like a mofo, Yasmin, to make it like a video that actually made sense to anybody.
Don't talk shit about me and then look behind the camera to get support.
And then 97 people showed up at the house, and then it was a bit chaotic. But we got there in the end, I think. And I think I've articulated how to do it. With regards to the Cous Cous that we're also serving here, please refer to the description for the exact amounts and methods and so on, because I've kind of just put that on the screen and tried to be all creative with my...
All right, let's get on with it.
With my editing.
Come on.
So let's get on with it. Yes, let's dive back in time to yesterday. Okay, we've got a lovely leg of lamb here, around about 2 kilos-ish. And similarly to our other videos, what I'm going to do is just score through this fat cap. Fairly erratic is fine, but just deep enough to get the seasonings in, Yazo.
You're lucky you're allowed to use that knife on the lamb.
Well, that's because you use it for random shit that it's not meant for, like cutting apples or fucking something. Rude. Goodness me. All right, so just score through like that. Lovely.
Why do you leave that bone thing there hanging off the side?
This. That's the chef's treat. Yeah, come on.
It's like a neck.
Can you guys tell? Yeah, come on.
You're gonna eat that.
How much lamb have you eaten in your life, and you don't know that that's the chef's treat by now? How is this the case? All right, cut that in there like that. There we go. Some lovely scores. All right, a bit of olive oil over the top. Oh, goodness me. Work that into the grooves. Oh, I haven't cut that one through. There we go. That's better. Moroccan seasoning blend here. I'll put the recipe on the screen in the description, all of that stuff that I have freshly ground up, and we're just going to go over in all the nooks and crannies. Open it up and get all the way in there. Over Yasmin's favourite bit.
The limb that's hanging off.
It's not a wing.
The limb, I said.
Oh, limb.
It's like it broke its leg and oh.
Why are you such a meat hater, Yazzo? Put that in. Other side. That'll do, beautiful. Okay, Kamado Joe's fired up to 120 degrees Celsius to 50-ish Fahrenheit. We're going to go 3 hours open, get some lovely colour on this thing, and then we'll go to the next braising step. Let's go. Put this one in the middle. Get Yaz's favourite bit over there. There we go. See you in a couple of hours. All right, we're just about ready to get the lamb off and into the braising stage. So what I've done here is I've got some onions mixed with the same Moroccan spice and a little bit of tomato paste, and I'm just going to basically get this started, really. Just until it starts to become nice and aromatic and the onions start to soften a little bit, and then we'll put a little bit of chicken stock in. 2 cups in total we're going to use, but I'm just going to put in probably half a cup for now, just so I'm not putting the lamb on dry spices. Just like that. Heat off. Just go and grab the lamb, Yaz.
Okay, Joe.
Just go and grab the lamb, Yaz. Look at that. We've got some lovely dark colour on there. Ow, hot. Let's put that straight on there. Follow me. And then the rest of the chicken stock in. That's 2 cups in total. And I'm just going to wrap that. And I'm just going to wrap this up with foil, and we'll get it back on for another 2.5 to 3 hours, probably closer to 3. Pour more whiskey because it's like feeding time at the zoo.
Yeah.
Get like, or get the
Don't do that.
get the back of it.
Redo. Cut.
Whose idea was it to do a video and all these people showing
It's like
up?
a serial killer.
Anyway,
Okay.
anyway, it's turned out amazing as always, hasn't it, Costa?
Yes, it has.
Oh, Yasmin's had 47 fucking whiskies. Why are you shushing me?
I don't swear on the.
All right,
on the
I'm diving in.
Get in there.
I'm under pressure now because there's so many people here. Get Cous Cous.
What about the lemon?
I squeezed the lemon over the top already. How about
Okay.
the peanut gallery
Focus.
over here? Actually, Yasmin doesn't. Do I spit? Actually, Yasmin doesn't like this kind of couscous very much, but I think you might be impressed, Yazo.
Looks delicious.
Mhm.
Can't wait for you to finish this up and I can hoe in.
So, thank you. We'll see you soon.